If you want to fix blurry pictures on your iPhone 16e, so first of all we have to open up your gallery. Now choose a picture which we want to enhance. Now let's tap on edit. It's hidden right here. So here we can adjust our sharpness. Let's find it. Here they are. It's a good thing to start with when you're fixing your blurry pictures. So you should drag the scale to the right if you want to increase your sharpness, and to lower it down, drag it to the left. All right. After that, we can also, oh yeah, keep in mind if your photo is made in the portrait mode, you have to tap on the portrait mode menu at the bottom. This one is not in it, so I don't have it in there. You can adjust your depth and style. Also, you can adjust your definition, noise reduction, vibrancy, contrast, and sometimes it changes a lot. Contrast changes a lot, honestly. Your shadows, your highlights as well, brilliance, and many other settings. All right, when you're done, simply press down at the top right corner. There you are. And keep in mind, if your photo made if this photo was made in the burst photo mode, so look at your burst photos. Here they are. You can see the sign. Tap here to see the list. Maybe some other shot would be much better than this current one. And basically that's it. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please consider subscribing to our channel.